Howdy gang, and welcome back to Pool School. In today's rather short episode, I'm going to show you how to specifically raise just the alkalinity of your pool. So what do you say we get to it? Alrighty folks, before we get started, I want to thank you once again for watching this video. Remind you to like it if you do by clicking that little thumbs up icon below this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel if you've not done so already, and please share my channel with everyone you know who owns a pool so they can save a ton of money servicing their pool themselves. Also, make sure you check out my website, poolschooler.com, for more great money savings do-it-yourself pool maintenance stuff. Alrighty? Cool. Alrighty, so you've tested your pool water and found that your alkalinity is low, but your pH is fine. Now, if your pH is high and your alkalinity is low, I have a video on that, so please check that one out. But again, let's say your pH is fine, but your alkalinity is low. Not a problem, very simple thing to take care of, very easy. Remember, anytime you're adding chemicals to your pool water, unless otherwise noted, you want to make sure that your pool pump and motor is running. That helps circulate the water and it helps distribute the chemicals and mix them into the pool water more rapidly, okay? So whenever you add your chemicals to your pool, make sure your pool pump is running, okay? All right, so the product you're gonna need to raise just the alkalinity of your pool water is bicarbonate of soda, okay? And basically that's like Arm & Hammer baking soda, okay? It's baking soda, but it's called bicarbonate of soda. Do not mistake that with sodium bicarbonate or sodium carbonate, okay? You don't want that. You want bicarbonate of soda, okay? What you're gonna do with your pump and equipment running, you're gonna take 1 to 2 pounds, no more than that, okay? And this is assuming you have a typical standard play pool with anywhere from 10 to 15,000 gallons. If you have more, I still wouldn't go up to more of the bicarbonate of soda, and I wouldn't, but if you have a smaller pool, like a smaller above ground pool, probably use a little bit less, maybe half a pound at a time, okay? But again, assuming you have a standard play pool, anywhere from 10 to 15,000 gallons, 1 to 2 pounds maximum of bicarbonate of soda, okay? And you're going to, with the pump motor running, distribute the chemical around the perimeter of the pool, let it mix in for about an hour or two, and then test your chemistry again. Check the alkalinity. If your alkalinity is into the ideal range, remember, you just have to be within the range. You don't have to be like right dead in the middle, okay? So if it's in that ideal range, you're done. You're good to go, job done, and just keep maintaining your chemistry. If not, if not, repeat the process typically with just 1 pound at a time. Pour it in, wait another hour or two, test your chemistry, and repeat it as you need till you get that alkalinity into the ideal range. And that's pretty much it, folks. All right, so there it is, my video on how to raise specifically the alkalinity of your pool water. I hope it made sense. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below this video, or as always, you can email me directly. My email address is going to come across the bottom of the screen right here. It's kennypoolschool@gmail.com. Once again, kennypoolschool@gmail.com. I will try to get back to those emails and comments as quick as I can. Sometimes it takes me a while because I get so many. If you want more priority access to me and a lot more great do-it-yourself pool maintenance stuff, please check out my website, poolschooler.com. Once again, poolschooler.com. Thank you again for watching this video. Remind you to like, subscribe, and share. And until we meet again next time, remember, have fun, be safe, and always, always, always watch those kids and elderly folk and pets around water. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.